So here I am sitting behind my drum set, and I'm trying to set it up decently. I've got my seat set up, I got my bass drum pedal the way I want it, I got my hi-hat pedal the way I want it, I got the snare in between so that's not going anywhere. And I'm trying to get the toms closer to me. And one of the questions, I need to raise the floor tom a bit still. One of the questions I have about this is that they are almost at the full length of the arm. I still need to do the blocks, but I'm still in the progress of putting them in. And I'm considering to take this entire saddle off and place it further back on the drum and put a blocking plate on there. Is there any reason why I shouldn't? Then I've got a lot shorter arms and the whole thing will be a lot stiffer and, in my opinion, better. But I find it weird that I have to, or am I just nagging and should I be happy with this, or should I place the toms further backward? I don't think I should. I think it's good to have them close, but yeah, I just don't know. Let me know what you think.